Hello students, good afternoon. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home, right students? So, welcome to online classes. Hope you like to learn online, right? There is no need to come to school, no need to wearing uniforms, nothing, right? Just watch online lectures and learn. So nowadays we are going through this online lectures. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and this video is for the class 2 and subject is mathematics. Now before we starting, this is the quote of the day. So this is keep going. What it means keep going? It means that we could not stop here. The time right now is everything is stopped because of this lockdown, but our study can't stop. So we'll keep going with our study. We can't stop our study. Okay, so this thing just keep in your mind, just keep going. Okay, never stop. Okay, now so let's start our today's online lecture. So what in the previous lecture we had done? What do you remember? Any students are remember what we had done in the previous lecture? Yes, chapter 2 addition we had done, right? So do you remember addition, what it means? I told you that addition, it means add something in the number. So it means addition. Okay, so let's start our today addition. Okay, now this is the page of your textbook, chapter number 2, and it's a addition. Okay, now see this, looking back. What it means looking back? It means you already learned this in the first standard. Okay, so here is, you can see there are one column is there, 5 plus 2. Now here is 5 plus 2, there are 5 flowers and 2 flowers. So you can see 5 and this plus sign you have to put and 2. So and at the end you have to count this 5 plus 2 together. 5 plus 2 together. So at the last we'll get the answer. Which answer we'll get? Yes, we'll get the 7 answer. Here is the 5 flowers and here is the 2 flowers. And now we have to count it together. Understood? So 5 plus 2, it is equal to 7. Now see, you can see these flowers are together here. So how much it is? It is 7. And you know what? The sum, the answer, what it's called? You can see by the arrow, we add them. So the answer is called the sum. Here we add 5 plus 2 and we get the number 7. So the answer is called the sum, right? So here is the thing, 32 plus 0. Here you can see my arrow is there. So whenever you add 0 in any digit, so answer will be as it is. I repeat, whenever you add 0 in any digit, answer will be as it is. Let me show you. Here is the answer, 32 plus 0. So here answer is as it is, 32. Understood students? Now see this number B, that is 1 plus 17. Now how much it is together? 1 plus 17, what will be the answer? Yes, 1 plus 17 is equal to 18. Right students? So this is the thing we had done in the previous lecture, right? So you can see here 7 plus 5 is 12. Here you have to add this and this is very easy. Now second thing we had learned yesterday is the number line. Okay, you also learned this in the first standard only, this number line. How to use this number line we also discussed in the previous lecture, but therefore we discuss here right now. And see, my arrow is moving here. This is the number line. You can see through this arrow, this is the number line. So here is number 8, 13 plus 8, right? So I'll show you first one. See, this is the 13 number and we are going forward 8 steps. Okay, 13 to 8 step more. So how to do? Let's see. See, here is the number 13 and have to go 8 steps more. See, here is the 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here is the answer 21. Understood, students? Now number B and C, you have to do it by yourself in your book. Okay. And this number line you already know in the first standard how to work on it. Okay. So this is also very easy thing. Okay, students. Now let's go further. What is the further one? Hope there is no any doubt in this number line, right? So let's go further, students. Okay, see, add begins with the ones. We also done this, begin with the ones. It means that you always start adding number with the ones value. Okay, with the ones column. Never start adding number with the tens place. Okay, always start with the ones value. See, here is the double. As I said, I'll solve this for you in the next lecture. So here is the lecture. 1 plus 1, it means 2 here. Now, see the next one, 2 plus 2, you can see here. So how much it is? See, my arrow is there, 2 plus 2. You have to put this sign 2 plus 2. It means 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, next one, 3 plus 3. So, how much it is? 3 plus 3? I know your answer. Yes, it is 6. Now, next number, 4 plus 4. So, how much it is? Yes, your answer is 8. I know, you know this. Now, the next number, which is the next number? 5. 5 plus 5. So, how much it is? 5 plus 5? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Now, let's go for the next number. Which is the next number? You can see through the arrow. My arrow is going on. See, this arrow is also going on. Now, here is the number 6 plus 6. So, how much it is? 6 plus 6? Yes, 12. Now, here is the answer. 6 plus 6, 12. Let's go for the next number. Which is the next number? Yes, 7 plus 7. So, how much it is? 7 plus 7? It's a 14 number. Okay. Your answer is 14. Now, here is 8 plus 8. So, how much it is? 8 plus 8? Yes, 16. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now, next number, 9 plus 9. So, how much now? 9 plus 9? The answer is 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Okay. Now, see, this is the exercise. Okay, and I hope your answer is as I said. Now, here is the double thing. See this, here is 2 plus 2. You can see this. My arrow is going on. See this. Just look where his arrow is stopped. Yes. Here is 2 plus 2. So, how much it is? As we discussed, 4. Next one. How much it is? 4 plus 4. So, how much it is? 8. Now, 6 plus 6. So, how much it is? Yes, 6 plus 6 is? Yes, 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Now, see the next one. Where is mouse going on? Yes, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then, what is the next number? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now, here is the next number. 6 plus 7 is equal to how much? 13. Okay. Now, the next number 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay, students. Now, let's go the next topic. What is it? Okay, this adding 3 2-digit number we also done in the previous lecture, right? Okay, see, this is the topic adding 3. This is the topic adding 3 two digits number, right? So, we also done this in the previous lecture, right? So, what it means? Adding 3 two digit number, we also complete the worksheet and exercise it in the previous lecture, right? So, let's see in the short what we had done in. See, here is the 3, 2 and 4 in the ones column. You can see here 3, 2 and 4. So, what is the total of it? What is the answer of it? Yes, 9. And you can see in the next column, see, there is 2 plus 1 plus 2. In the next column, tens value, right? See, my arrow is there. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, here just keep this in your mind that always add ones column first, which is at your right hand. Okay, always add the first column. 3 plus 2 plus 4 here is the first column, and the tens column is 2 plus 1 plus 2. So our answer is 5, right? 59. So our full answer is 59. Okay, so now you can understood, you have clear this, that how to add the numbers. You have to first add ones column and then go to tens place. Okay, see, this is the exercise 2a we had done in the previous lecture, right? We also done this, and this is very easy. Hope there is no doubt in this, there is no query in it. This is very simple and easy. Okay, so now today's topic, addition with regrouping to 10. Then number 2, it's examples, then worksheet, and then we'll solve exercise also. Okay, so this is our today's topic. We'll do in this lecture these 4 things. So let's start with the topic number 1, adding with regrouping to 10. So what it means, adding with regrouping? So this word is new for you, this regrouping. So let's discuss this regrouping with the simple example. Okay, now see this, I'll show you by the example of regrouping. What is regrouping? Okay, so you have clear this. Okay, see, I have written one number here. I am writing here 55 and 25, and don't forget to put this plus sign. So now here is 5 plus 5, 5 and 5 at the ones column. So we have to add 5 plus 5 at the ones column first. Now tell me, what is the answer of 5 plus 5? Just write down beside here. 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? Yes, it's a 10. I know your answer. Just write down in your book this sum so you can easily understood. So 5 plus 5. See, this is the 10. Okay. So how to write this 10? This is the way to write the answer. 5 plus 5, 10. And now the tens place, 5 plus 2, how much it is? Together 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this is the way, this is the correct way to write. Okay, how many students are say this is the right answer, this is the right method to write this? No, this is the wrong answer. Okay, this is not a proper way to write down 10 here. Okay, so here is the wrong answer. So I'll show you how to the right method, which is the correct method to write down this. Okay, let's see with the next example. Okay, see this again, I am taking this example only, 55 plus 25, and don't forget to put this plus sign. Now here is 5 plus 5, this is the ones column here. Now how much it is? 5 plus 5? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now how to write this 10? Just tell me, students. This is the 10, you can see. Now see this, which digit is at the ones place? Now 0, you can see this, I underline it. 0 is at the ones place. So you have to write this 0 at the ones place. You can see here, you have to write down 0 at the ones place. Now this 1 is remaining. Where will go it? This number 1 will go at the carry forward. Okay, this 1 will go to the next digit. So which is the next digit? Tens value, right? So here is the 5 is the tens value. So this is the carry forward. It's called carry forward. 1 will go as a carry forward above the 5 number. Now here is the 5 plus 2. So how much it is? 5 plus 2? Yes, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And that carry forward 1 number you have to add in the 7 number. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and you have to add one more number in it. So the final answer is 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 is equal to how much? Just write down in your book. So you can easily understood this. Yes, the final answer is 8, right? Okay, 5 plus 2 7 plus then 1 carry forward. So here is the answer 8. So this is the right way, this is the right method, correct method to write down this. Here see, you can see we regrouping the tens value, right? The tens place value is 7. Okay, the answer is 7. But we regroup it, we put one more number on it. So we here regroup the tens value. Okay, so it's called regrouping. Let's take one more example so you can easily understood what I am trying to say you. See, here is the 26, put a plus sign and then the next number is 36 again. Now tell me students, how much it is? Let's take first ones column, 6 plus 6. So how much it is now? 6 plus 6, just tell me. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, right? Now just tell me, this is the 12. Now 2 is at the ones place, right? So we'll write this 2 at the ones place. This 2 will go at the ones place. See this way. Now see, here 1 is remaining, okay. So this 1 will go as a carry forward on the 2. You can see here. So this is the regrouping, right? This 1 will go as a carry forward. This is regrouping of 10, right? So now here is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But there are regrouping number 1 carry forward it on it. So through 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and you have to add one more number in it. So it will be how much? Just tell me students. How much it is? 3 plus 2, 5 and you have to add one more number in which is carry forwarded. Okay, so last answer is 6. Now this is the 62, okay. Now this is the 62 numbers. Okay, then let's take one more example and just keep this in your mind that students always this one number will not come as a carry forward. Numbers may be different, okay, numbers should be different. It will be a 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, right? It depends on the ones value which digit they get the answer. So now please keep in mind always one number will not come as a carry forward. There is any number will come. Let's take one more example. Okay, so you can see this. See this, which is example here. Here is 38 plus how much? Yes, 14. Now 38 plus 14 here. So our ones value is 8 and 4. So we have to add this column first. Now 8 plus 4. So how much it is? You have to count 8. After 4 numbers you have to count. You have to add 4 numbers in the 8. So how much it is? 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So answer is 12 here. Now tell me which number is at the ones place? 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now just tell me which number is at the which digit is at the ones place here in the 12. So here 2 is at the ones place, right? And as we said, number 1 will go as a carry forward on 3. Okay. You can see on the screen this 2 is at the ones position and 1 will go as a carry forward. Now here is the number 3 plus 1. So how much it is? 3 plus 1? It's a 4, and now plus one more you have to add in this number. So how much it is together? 3 plus 1 and plus 1, which is the carry forwarded number. So it is finally how much? Just write down in your book this answer, which digit will come here. 3 plus 1 plus 1. How much it is? Yes, it is 5. You can see on the screen, this is the 5. So our final answer is 52 here. So I hope you can understood very easily through this example. This is the regrouping. You can see whenever one's value will get a 2-digit answer, then one's value will come at the ones place, and the other digit which is at the tens place will go on the carry forward at the tens place. So this is the regrouping and it's an example. Hope there is no doubt in it. So here is, see this addition with regrouping to 10. Number 1 is completed here. Okay, then its example we also completed here. Now let's these two numbers are remaining, worksheet and exercise, right? So let's start the worksheet first. So as we solve the worksheet, let's start the worksheet here. Okay, so are you ready now for the worksheet? I know you all like worksheet, right? So let's start solving the worksheet. Just take the book and pencil in your hand and start writing the worksheet with me, students. Okay, be ready for the worksheet. Let's start and solve it. Okay, let's go for the worksheet. See on the screen, you can see there is the worksheet. Here is the first number 32 and 59. You can see on the screen now. Okay, so our first column is here. One's column is 2 plus 9. So how much it is? 2 plus 9? 9. Add two numbers in it, 10 and 11. So here 11. So in the 11, which number is at the ones place? Just write down in your book 11 and check which value is at the ones place. And write down here which value is at the ones place. Which value will come here? Okay, I hope you solved this sum before me in your book. Right. So here is 11. Now let's write this answer here. 1 at the ones place. So here 1 is there, and other one will go as a carry forward on the 3. You can see here. Now here 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now add one more number in it. So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? Just write down answer in your book and check. Is your answer is right? Just check it. Is your answer is right? See, this is my answer, 91. Now let's go for the number 2. Here is the 13 plus 57, and you have to check the ones value only, ones column only. Here is the 3 plus 7. Okay, so 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 0 is at the ones place. So I write 0 there and 1 at the tens place as a carry forward. Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 in it. So how much it is? What is the final answer? Just write down in your book. 5 plus 1 plus 1. So final answer is 7. So this is my answer. This is the right answer. Now next one, 42 plus 28. So just check the ones column only first. Here is the 2 plus 8. So here the total of 2 plus 8 is 10 and 0 is at the ones place. 1 will go as a carry forward. Okay. Now here is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And you have to add one more number in it. So what will be the final answer? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. You can see on the screen the answer is. Now here is the thing, 7 plus 6. So how much it is? 7 plus 6. It's a, just tell me how much it is. Okay student, please count in your book. 7 plus 6 is equal to how much? How much? Tell me, write down in the corner of the book and check which number will come at the ones value. 3, because 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 and 3 is at the ones place. So number 1 will go as a carry forward Now here is the 7 plus 1 and 1 as a carry forward. So 7 plus 1 plus 1. So how much it is? Tell me, write down your answer in your book. See, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Let's go for the next example. 9 plus 3 here. So how much it is? 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, just count it 3 more digits. 10, 11 and 12. Right. So here is the answer. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So just check which is the ones value. 2 in the 12. 2 is at the ones place. And 1 will go as a carry forward. Now here is 5 plus 3. 8. Now add one more number in it. So it will be a 9. You can see on the screen the right answer and hope your answer is same as I write. Okay. Now the next one, 6 plus 4 and 1 plus 5. 16 plus 54. So let's check the ones column first. 6 plus 4 here. Now how much it is together? 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now check the answer. 0 is at the ones place and 1 will go as a carry forward on the tens place. Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and add one more number on it. So how much it is? 5, 1, 1. It's a 7. So here is the answer, 70, 70. Okay. Now the next one, 3 plus 7 here. So what will be the answer of this ones column? 10. Again 10. So you have to take ones value, which is 0 here. Now write down 0 and 1 will go as a carry forward on the tens place. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and you have to add one number in it as a carry forward. Now 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 60 here. Now here is 3 plus 8. So how much it is? 8. After it, count 3 more number. 9, 10, 11. So here is the 11 number. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now write down the ones value here. Which is the ones value? Yes, 1 is the ones value and next one is the tens place. Go as a carry forward. Now here is the 3 plus 4 plus 1. So the final answer is, what will be the final answer? Write down in your book, students. Hope your answer is same as I write. Yes, this is the answer, 81. Now see this, 3 plus 8. So how much it is? 3 plus 8. Now you have to complete this exercise in your book. Okay, this is the exercise, this is the worksheet. Now this worksheet is remaining, right? Exercise 2b. Exercise 2a we had done in the previous lecture. Now this is exercise 2b. See this number a here. Here is 3 plus 7 at the ones column. So how much it is? 3 plus 7. Just count it. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So which number will come at the ones place? Check out. In the 10, which number is at the ones place? So here is 0 is at the ones place. Now 1 will go as a carry forward and answer will be 2 plus 1. So it's a, write down your answer, students. Okay, 30. This is the right answer. Now here is number B. Just see this, 1 plus 9. So the total of this number is 10. So just check which is the ones value in the 10. So here 0 is the ones value and 1 will go as a carry forward. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 here. Okay. Now write down 4. This is the answer, 40. Number C. See this, 6 plus 4 here. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So in the 10, now you can understood which number will come whenever you get answer 10. So you have to put the 0 here at the ones value and 1 will go as a carry forward whenever you get 10 number. Now here is the 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and add one more number in it. So it will be your 8. So this is your exercise. This is very short exercise, right? So you have to write down this in your fair book, right? And other sum homework for you. Now this is the today's topic. We cover it, addition with regrouping to 10. I explained to you all. Now it's example. Okay, then worksheet we had done and also exercise we had done, right? So let's meet in the next lecture, students. Bye bye.